Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to talk to you about style. Usually, when fashion bloggers discuss this topic, they give advice on what clothes to buy and how to combine them. I'd like to talk to you about style from the point of view of a tailor and to share some tailor's tips with you. It's a different thing when you choose a ready-made garment in a store and when you create a garment with your own hands.
Я буду потихоньку говорить, ну хотя бы вот так каждый раз по несколько пунктов. Первый пункт и общеизвестный – это прекратить носить зауженную до
One of the main problems are too tight clothes. You won't look stylish in skinny jeans and body-hugging dresses.
Что там есть в этом, конечно, стиля никакого нет.
If you want to make your skirt or dress close fitting at the waistline, you should take into consideration the fitting ease.
Ну немножко надо не
You should feel comfortable in your clothes.
допаливать. Вот одежда
They shouldn't hold your movements. Let's be honest, it doesn't look good when somebody wears a pair of skinny jeans which are too tight.
абсолютно никого не украшает вот эта зауженная одежда. Если на даме одеты джинсы на 2 размера меньше, и они ее перетягивают, и потом такой над джинсами
Ladies,
такой слой еще
we should wear
добавляют,
clothes of our sizes.
конечно, нет.
Do not wear clothes which are smaller than you need.
Классическая рубашка в стиле мужской.
I like classic shirts,
Если
but again, they should be a bit loose and comfortable.
одевается и
Do not make them too tight.
там ничего нет хорошего. Никого не украшает
The same idea about skirts.
почему-то вот в Краснодаре очень любят сверхзауженные.
A skirt should fit you well and not dried up when you
Во
walk.
время ходьбы они вот так вот едут.
If you want to make a pencil skirt, don't make it too tight.
Кто любит зауженные юбки, заужайте, пожалуйста, это красиво. Но нужно найти ту грань,
I like close-fitting garments. I like pencil skirts,
где красиво.
but they should be neat, comfortable, and beautiful.
Потому что я не
They
признаю
shouldn't be too tight.
юбки. Мне нравятся зауженные юбки, но должна быть какая-то мера. Глаз должен как-то научиться это видеть. Это первое, что я хочу о зауженных вещах сказать. Второе, что я хочу сказать о зауженных плечах.
Another style rule
Если на нас
is right shoulder fitting.
лучше слегка, так,
If you make a mistake in your basic pattern
а слегка вот
and then cut the armhole too much,
части нашего лифа
it may cause wrong shoulder fitting.
маловато.
A garment would look small,
Мы на несколько миллиметров ошиблись, когда строили базовую, не ту мерку.
when in fact, it's just an armhole line which is incorrect.
Вот эта линия проймы
It's very important for the shoulders in the garments we wear to be comfortable.
какое создается впечатление. Первое,
If you feel relaxed and comfortable in garments you wear,
равно она уже села.
people around you see it.
Второе, создается впечатление, что это вообще не ваша вещь, вы ее взяли с чужого плеча. Вот плечи,
I don't like it when it looks like a garment is too small for a person.
плечи должны быть комфортными, человеку должно быть удобно.
I want to look at a person and see that he or she is feeling comfortable wearing a garment.
А когда вот мы чувствуем,
I know that beauty has its price,
плечи у нас заужены,
but it's not that case.
мы идем, а потом что получается? Ну, как будто ты с какой-то чужой вещи. А тем более обидно, что мы ее сами делали. Поэтому следим за тем,
I also don't like it when we waste time making garments
шве,
and then turn out to be
если у нас
uncomfortable.
шов или заваливается,
One more important rule
или заваливается,
is the shoulder seam.
они располагаются вот так вот.
It shouldn't be pulled towards the front or back.
Ну, в этом
It should be located right in the center of the shoulder.
стиля никакого нет, об этом даже не стоит мечтать. Ну, пожалуйста, на первых примерках
Garments with incorrect shoulder seams can't be stylish.
очень внимательно обратить внимание на
Please be very attentive at the fitting.
плечо.
Do necessary shoulder adjustments.
4-5 или спереди,
Make sure that the shoulders are not narrow
назад. Или бывает даже сзади
and the shoulder seam is right in the center of the shoulder.
забрать. Вывести правильно.
If a shoulder seam is incorrect, when you take a sleeve, it will be twisted.
Вашим изделием, потому что
Garments we wear look stylish only in case they fit us perfectly.
плечевой шов должен располагаться точно, правильно посередине плеча, и потом к плечевому шву мы начинаем вметывать и втачивать рукав. А если у нас плечевой шов уже не на месте, мы
I always tell you that the fittings are very important.
и стиля в этом
This is the time when we make the garments fit us perfectly. when we make all the needed adjustments. Another important aspect is an armhole. If it's gaping, your garment would dry up when you raise your hand. An armhole should be small and comfortable. When you make a fitting without a sleeve, make sure that the line of the armhole is correct. Then tack a sleeve, try the garment on again, and check if it's accurate one more time. I want you to understand that the fittings are very, very important. I always tell you to pay special attention to the armholes. I want you to know how they should look like. I remind you that the width of the seams in the armhole should be 7 mm, not more. As for the underarm, it's better to stretch it slightly when ironing, but not too much. Make sure that the upper part of the armhole fits you perfectly. You shouldn't stretch it. Be very attentive. The upper part of the armhole should fit you perfectly, and the underarm can be slightly stretched. In this case, the armholes would be very comfortable. They will make your garments look stylish. As I've said, it doesn't look stylish if your garment rides up when you raise your arms. Be very attentive, the armhole should be comfortable. One more thing I want you to pay special attention to is the length of the sleeves. If you make long sleeves, don't make them too long. If you read fashion magazines, you'll never see garments with such sleeves. They don't look good. Even if you have stylish shoes, a designer's bag, and a perfect makeup, your image would be spoiled by too long sleeves. Be very careful. Make sleeves of the right length. If sleeves are 1 cm shorter than needed, it's not a problem. But it's wrong to make them too long. Impression of you at some important business meeting can be ruined by your appearance. Let's be honest. The way we look like affects the way people treat us. Good clothes open all doors. Clothes make the man. It's also very important for the sleeves in men's suits, coats, and outerwear not to be too long. It doesn't look stylish either. You know that I hate long sleeves. My favorite length is 3/4 sleeves. Anyway, I do have some garments with long sleeves, but they are not too long. You might think that the length of the sleeves is not that important, but it actually is. This is one of the most important style rules. I really hope that you find my tailor's tips useful. I want you to be able to make stylish garments. I'm talking to you from the point of view of a tailor. I feel very happy when my subscribers share their achievements with me. I want you to improve your sewing skills. I want you to not be afraid to make unusual and fashionable garments. You should always remember about style, about accurate length, perfect fit, and comfort of your clothes. I want us to be different and beautiful every day. This is what I'm here for. I show you a lot of different techniques and details. I show you a lot of interesting designs. I remind you that some of my video courses are already available. In the courses, I show you the making of the garments from scratch to the very end. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. That's all for today. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.